Welcome to our channel. If you need to activate your Trust ReliaCard online, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started quickly and securely. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official ReliaCard website. Make sure you're on the correct site to protect your personal information. Step 2. Look for the activation section on the homepage. Click on Activate Your Card or a similar button that directs you to the activation page. Step 3. Enter your 16-digit card number found on the front of your ReliaCard. Double-check that you've typed it correctly to avoid errors. Step 4. Provide the required personal information for verification, including your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Step 5. Create a secure PIN for your card. Choose a PIN that you'll remember but others cannot easily guess, and avoid using obvious combinations like your birthday. Step 6. Review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Click Submit or Activate to complete the process. Step 7. Wait for the confirmation message that appears on your screen. This confirms your Trust ReliaCard is now active and ready to use. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation from ReliaCard with details about your activated card and instructions for managing your account online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.